Hello everyone, welcome back to Simply Makeup. My name is V. In today's video, it is a collaboration with the group Sophisticated Ladies Club. And the theme for this collab is Winter Christmas Decorating Collaboration 2021. And in the title of my video, there will be a hashtag WREATH Decorating 21. Click on that to go visit all the other ladies that are taking part in this collaboration. Hashtag WREATH Decorating 21 will take you to all the other ladies that are taking part in it. And if you want to see what I created, keep watching and please watch all the way to the end. I thank you in advance. The collaboration was you either do a vignette or you do a wreath. I chose to do a wreath. From these pine trees, I got these that fall, and I am going to use it to create my wreath. But because I am creating a white wreath, I want to use white spray paint. Okay, I am gonna spray paint these, not the meat what you see, but these in white because I want them to be white. Hopefully you can see. For creating my wreath, I bought this from Target, these snowflakes from Target, these from Target, these from Target, and these from Target. These are all my supplies to create the wreath, and I will be doing that soon. I'm trying not to smile because I'm eating something that is like, I'm eating a breakfast bar and my mouth might be dirty so I won't smile. I'm using these to make the wreath. I will show you the beginning, but I can't show you the whole thing because the video will be too long, so we're gonna do it in steps. I take string, and I'm going to tie it together. I'll be back when I have the whole thing together. Okay, so this is it. I'm going to take the painter's tape and I'm going to go all around it to keep it firm. Remember, I'm using this from the pine tree and I sprayed it white. So I'm just showing you step by step. This is the wreath, the beginning of the wreath. I'll be back to show you the rest. Just want to show you a little bit of what I'm doing so you have an idea. And I'll go all the way around just to give it a little bit more support. Now we have it and it's a little bit more steady, right? So I am going to now take these. So I'm going to take this and I'm going to wrap it around once I can get it out. Take this and I'm going to wrap all around this and then I'll be back, okay? I'm not finished yet, but I just wanted to show you what I'm doing. Never done this before. I just wanted to, whatever show up in my mind, that's what I'm doing. So this is what I'm doing, a wreath. So you see the progress? We'll be back soon. Now it's all wrapped around. I'll take care of this because I'm thinking my brain is telling me to do something different with this. So this is all wrapped. I'll be back. I'm going to take these. This I bought from Joanne because sometimes I make pillows. So I am going to take these and put it all around the wreath, and I'm going to glue it. I won't show you the gluing part. I'm trying to keep this video short. I'm going to hot glue it in place and then I'll show you the rest. But this is what it looks like. Right now it's not glued. See, it's not glued. I just lay it down so you can see. So I'll be back when I glue it. Now it's all glued. I did 12 little snow balls all around the roof. This is the front. This is the back. I'm going to hot glue these two ornaments on the roof and also some of the little bells. I'm going to hot glue that and I'll be back to show you what the roof looks like. Now I'm almost complete with this roof. This is the back. I am taking the star to put on the top so when I hang the roof, I have something to hang it on. So it will be hanging like this instead of just putting the roof on something, because sometimes the roof can't go over something, so I want to give it something else. But the roof is coming along. You'll see the front in a few minutes. Let me just tie this together and then I will show you the finished product. So this is the back of my roof. I'll bring it close so you can see. This is the front of my roof. I put the star so I can hang it. How close you can see. But I add the little bells and I add the two little silver ornaments. This is like my white snow that I put around it, and the snowflake is what we'll be using to hang this. Front, back. This is my wreath that I make to take part with the Sophisticated Ladies collab group. So I hope you like this very much. If you do, please give me a thumbs up. That helps my channel. And the word for today is keep sparkling, keep shining. Don't let anyone put out your light. You have control of your light. You can put it on and off when you want, but don't let anyone dim your light. So for today, don't be dimmed by anyone. Always remember, self is first. Love self plenty, take care of self. And I, Simply You Makeup, will see you in another video. This is my first time doing a wreath. I just looked at the wreath I have in the garage and just say, okay, I can do this, and I did this. So this is my wreath. Again, this collab is with a group of ladies. It is called the Sophisticated Ladies Club. And again, this is my wreath. And thank you to the Sophisticated Ladies Club. I was very happy to take part in this open collab. Thanks again. Bye. Bye, bye, bye. Thank you again, Sophisticated Ladies Club. I had fun doing this. Very simple, very easy. Thank you again. My wreath.